I'm gonna
hold
record from now
everybody.
here on.
What?
I'm recording the screen.
Oh, you're recording.
Yeah, if you don't worry about it, this is not exactly what we are in for learning here. This is
Right.
just initial setup.
Yeah, no, I understand. I was just saying rather than holding everybody up and having you go through those steps all over again, maybe you could just send it to me and we can move on to, whatever else you're supposed to be teaching us.
Yeah, it's okay for today. I didn't plan on starting anything up, but I'll go through much more tomorrow.
Oh, okay. I just don't want to hold up the class, if there's other people
No, I
there.
mean it's a learning experience for everybody here.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, continue on, select forward.
And yes, I agree.
It's asking for the username. You could skip on that. Just click forward. Yes. No, I mean you could skip on that.
Yeah, I always, oh,
Yeah,
always.
select yes. Hit enter. Continue on hitting enter here. Okay, so what do we want? It came up into the GUI mode, so we want to exit out of GUI mode. So just click just X out of this and then close it. Turn it off.
So click the red X.
Yeah. To get out
Uh,
of the box, just push the control key on the keyboard.
right,
There you go.
right.
And then select yeah, power off. Okay.
Power off. Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna bring it back up again and it will give you a few seconds to interrupt the boot up process.
Okay.
So we're gonna go into a different mode. Go ahead and bring up CentOS, your virtual box again. Yeah, power it on. Okay, push any key like spacebar or something. Push it now. Okay, then push E as in push E, and then select the kernel. Hit enter. Second one, enter.
Yeah, I did that.
Did you hit enter?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe go up, arrow up, and hit enter.
Hmm.
Arrow
That
up,
was fun.
hit enter. Nothing is happening.
Yeah, nothing's happening.
Okay, go down and uh, push E again. Okay, give it a space and push number 3. Hit the enter key and then just push B as in boy. That's it. I'll show you a lot of stuff. There's a lot of stuff to learn here. I mean, there's something I just am not ready. Instead of closing the X button, next time push that little. There is another button right next to X, right? Push that button.
Oh, okay.
Next time it won't show you.
Yeah, that's fine if you're gonna show us more things eventually. I I don't want to take too much all at once.
Oh, it's okay. Don't feel guilty about it because you're gonna have to be ready to get move along with the whole class.
Right. Yeah. No, I understand. I'm just saying uh, it's good to go slow. It's fine. If,
Okay, now type root here.
okay. Enter.
Yep. And the password it won't show. Then hit enter. Okay, see when you see a hash sign right here,
Mm-hmm.
that means you are logged in and you are a root.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, type ifconfig. Hit enter. Okay. So the IP address is not showing. So we have to go in again, the same folder. Remember, I put it in the chat. I'll put it again. Hold on. Okay, that one.
Okay. So I can't copy this, right? I just have to type it.
It probably won't try it. Do
Yeah.
Control V. Do
I
Control
tried
V.
control. Yeah. I tried control V, but
Yeah, it won't work.
yeah. Okay. Yeah. I just type it.
No, there is a space.
Oh. Okay. Space.
No. After CD there is a space. Not.
Oh. Yeah.
Now type ls.
All right.
Hit the enter key. So we're gonna have to configure that ifcfg.eth0. So type vi space, then type ifcfg. No, you're typing it wrong.
Oh.
cfg
FG.
hyphen. Then push the tab key on it. What it does is it will autofill it. Push the tab key on the keyboard.
Yeah. Let's see. Okay.
Now tab
Yeah.
key is not working.
Yeah. I pushed the tab key.
Well, just type it then. ETH0.
ETH
Yeah.
0. Yeah. Okay.
Enter. Okay, you see where it says on boot no? Go scroll down there and then go all the way to the right side using your arrow keys. Yeah, there you go. Okay, now push I on the keyboard. You will like in edit mode. and then you're gonna have to
Make that yes.
yeah.
Oh,
No,
oh
you
no.
deleted the equal sign. So push the equal sign there. Yeah, use the side arrow key and then delete backspace.
Okay, now yes.
Okay. Now to get out of the escape mode, to get out of the edit mode, hit escape key on the keyboard
Okay.
and then shift colon.
Shift colon.
Okay, do you see that little colon came up on the bottom left?
Yes.
Okay, good. When we're doing it, there are a lot of commands in here. Right now we're using save and exit. So that's X as in Xerox. Just push X, hit enter. No, don't push the capital S. Oh, okay, that's good. Now type here service restart network.
Oh, like that.
Yeah,
Enter.
yeah, enter. Oh, okay. Type service network restart. How's that?
Okay.
Okay, okay, good. Now type if config. Enter. Okay, you could see the IP address there, 10.0.0.50. So bring up your putty.
Okay. Where do I get that?
It's probably not there. So click on start and start typing putty in there and then pin it to the taskbar.
Okay. Okay. Oh, putty. Okay. Which putty?
Third, third from top. No, not that one. Yeah, that one. Yep.
Okay.
Then down on the taskbar, right click and say pin. Right click on the putty on the taskbar and pin it to it. No, you
Oh.
see on the taskbar? Yeah, right there.
Oh
Right
yeah,
click
yeah.
there.
Okay. Right.
Pin program to taskbar. There you go.
I see what you mean. Okay.
Okay, now type that IP address and give it a name and save it.
And unlock this.
10.0.0.50. Save it. Then open. Click yes. Okay. Now you're in business. So type root and then password.
Root enter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, good. All right. Everybody's up. Let's do this. Atik, are you okay? You could do it on this on your own or you need help?
Yeah, I have the videos and I will try my best. So
Okay, yeah, I'll upload this video so far. Okay.
yeah, when you upload the video, so I will see and with
Okay.
myself, inshallah. So we're going to get the video today, right?
Yeah, I'll upload it. So today I'm gonna briefly go over some curriculum, and then we'll wrap up in 15 minutes. Then tomorrow the class is 10 o'clock Central.
10:30, right, Sohail bhai? You posted it 10:30.
Is it 10:30 or 10?
Yeah, it's 10:30.
10:30. Oh, I see.
Let me check.
But they're saying
Oh
10
yeah,
to 12.
10. Yeah, 10 to 12. That's what it
10
says.
to 12. You want 10:30? Or 10 is too early? What's going on?
No, that's fine. That's fine. I thought. One second.
Okay.
See you. Yes.
So let me go let me
Yeah, you
show you
said
where all the class
8:30.
materials.
Yeah, that's fine. Saturday 8:30 to 10:30 and Sunday 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Right? That's fine.
Okay.
That's my mistake.
Okay, so this is the website you're gonna be going to, and then when you go in a blog, this is where all the latest videos gonna be. So this is last week's. You could go watch it, then I'll upload today's and tomorrow's here. Okay, and then you go up here in Linux here, and this website will load, and we'll have all these Linux topics here. These are all the topics we're gonna be going through. We
Oh,
There are a few more in here that we will go through. I'm sorry, there are a few more missing here that I added on later. Okay, so we'll probably start tomorrow with basic commands, and these are all the basic commands in here that once you get a hang of it, you know what the commands are, then you will work on it and build up on it. And then most importantly, once you go through all this, until we meet next time, these are all the commands and the VI editor, the one we went into try to change like IP address, try to bring
mm,
up IP address. Remember it was on boot no.
yeah,
So there is something called a file because Linux works everything on file. There is no GUI, nothing.
right.
So the one we worked on is a network configuration file. It's in text based. So you could go in there and then these are all the navigations, how you could go through the text editor and all that. I
Okay,
will actually demo this so that you will have the video and then you will have all this document to go through step by step.
right.
And then we'll actually do like a very deep Linux learning here. And then we have some network. Don't worry about this. This is not in order, but as we go along, I'll put this in order, okay? But the very first thing that we'll be using tomorrow is this basic commands. And then
Okay,
if you have chance, you could like practice it, but I won't recommend it. I probably will go through tomorrow, and then you have rest of the week to practice it. Okay?
okay,
So almost everything is here. If I see something is missing, then I will put it up here. How to do disk management, disk mounting, what is DNS, extended inodes, partition, grub, home directories. I'm sure all these are new to you, but I'll make it nice and easy and comfortable so that you guys could land a job.
okay.
Okay. Uh, Send me anything related to this class. Don't hesitate to put it in that group we have. Ask questions.
Okay.
But if you came across something on internet, that is something we will discuss at end of the class. 26 weeks from now. Then I'll show
Okay.
you how to use internet to, if you get stuck somewhere, how to use internet to start getting help. There are some forums you could work on, and then
Okay.
I'll show you, how to use best practices and all that. And
Mm.
then I will also prepare you guys for the interview, and hopefully we'll get another job for you because there are a lot of jobs right now in the job
Yeah.
market, and employers are they are under pressure to hire local talent.
Mm.
Yeah, I mean, since ever since Trump came in, he's putting a lot of pressure on the big corporations. They wanted to hire people, you know what I mean? But they
Yeah.
just can't find the talent.
Right.
Yeah, they are ready to hire, but there's no people available. I mean, they don't even know how to use these basic commands here. If you know these basic commands and some other basic stuff, then I'm pretty sure you should be able to land a job.
Yeah. Yeah, because everything is GUI based these days, so everybody's spoiled. They don't want to use. They don't want to use command line.
Yeah, but the thing is, internet is running on Linux. I
Yeah.
would
Right.
say Windows is losing ground. Windows is good for only few things, but when you really think of Linux, everything is running like, I mean, not even computers. Read it here. It's running like your little Roku device. It's Linux.
Mm-hmm.
Your
Oh.
smartwatches, smartphones,
Mm.
game consoles,
Wow.
home appliances, submarines. Yeah, the traffic lights. You stop on a traffic light.
Mm-hmm.
It has a Linux running in the background.
Mm.
It's very, very deep. It's cheap and easy, but to get the talent for Linux, they they don't have enough people to help out with Linux here, and it's top paid, one of the top paid job salaries. You probably will end up close to six figure, if not six figures. You know what I mean?
Yeah. MashaAllah.
And I'll make sure we go through this, stay put in this class, and then it's going to be hard 6 months. But once you're out of this, you will get a good concept of how things are working and all that. Then you could explore on and build on, and you could get into AWS or whatever you think of. You could wanted to do more.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, so do you guys have any questions so far? I'll give you one homework. Okay, everybody. On the virtual box we have like we set up one, right? I want you
Mm-hmm.
to set up like
Okay.
two more CentOS 6. Go through the video. If not, there's some more information here already on the website, here on my website, and then I have made some videos previously. uh, Over here, Red Hat Linux IP configuration, how to configure the IP address.
Mm-hmm.
That's the toughest thing we went through, so you could do that, and then set up a virtual box.
Okay.
But I've recorded what you did so far, so try to going through that, and then if not, then you could text me, and we'll see how it goes. Okay? But at least you have one box ready, so we could start working tomorrow.
Right.
Yeah.
So when are we going to download the next one? So it's going to be download everything, the scratch to everything. So we have the type IP address and everything again and again. Or
No, you actually, these are like individual computers. You know what I mean? These are VMs, virtual
okay,
machines. So when you go on to click do this and then do another Red Hat, and then do the same thing, what you did so far. Uh, just go through that process, okay?
Okay, inshallah.
And yeah, I mean this mine is hosted, so don't worry about this. What does this says? Copy. Oh, so go through all this, and then do this, and then when it's time, go into settings, uh, and then go into network and enable this. What I really want you to guys to do is just play around with it so that you get comfortable with this. You know how fast I'm doing like this? Cut, cut, cut. You should be able to do all this on your own.
Okay.
You could like once you are deep into the class, oh okay, I don't like this operating system got corrupted. You could just delete it and create a new one, you know. And then
Mm.
I'll show you later on. You could like actually just clone it. You have this, and then you could just clone it, and then give it a clone name. Or maybe we'll go back here. So instead of going through all that process, just clone it. So you guys do one thing here. Make one box from the scratch, one box clone, okay?
Okay.
I'm not going to give you more instructions, but try to play around with it, try to look up and see how you do it. It's pretty easy, pretty nice, easy. You should have a lot of resources online. Okay, we're going to wrap up in 5 minutes. Anybody have any questions?
No, not
So
so
what
far.
is clone virtual machine, cloning machine? What is this?
So in like 2 minutes, 30 seconds, it will be another machine here. Remember how we went through pain and everything, like we have to add the CD and go through and wait like 10, 20 minutes.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Instead of doing that, it's going to be ready in like 2, 3 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, we just have to go back in there and change the network settings.
Okay.
Okay, so you're saying that if we just know Linux by itself, then we could easily get a job uh,
Yeah,
implementing
sure,
that.
why not? I mean, I mean, you already have some experience, everything. You put previous experience, this experience, and you know how the ticketing system, how you work with different teams and everything. You know all that already, so you
Yeah.
should be ready for all that.
Okay.
Yeah,
I just didn't realize that Linux by itself is that marketable.
it is. I mean, they will ask you if you know more. I mean, what you tell is you work with Linux a lot more than something else, and you just have exposure to it.
Hmm. Okay.
Like you have some networking exposure, right? But you're not doing 100% networking there at your job.
Yeah. Right.
You could troubleshoot at the OS level network, but in all honesty, network admin is a different job role. You
Yeah.
probably won't have, even if you know everything about network, you probably won't have access to it because that's not your job role.
Right.
It's done, sir.
Okay, see, it's ready. It's already ready here.
Okay, clone 231.
When I start it up, it's gonna come up like as if nothing happened. There is there's the original one is here, and then there's second one here. Just like duplicate, you saw the movie Duplicate?
Uh-huh.
Hmm.
Yeah, just like that. But you have to go in and change the IP address. That's all you need to do.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna wrap up now. and
Okay.
we'll meet again tomorrow at 10 Central.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
All right, thank
All
you.
right.
Okay, Sohail bhai. Khuda
Okay, Allah Hafiz.
All right.
Allah Hafiz.
Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.